Does your Windows 10 system feel like it slows down over time? You're not imagining it. As the hardware requirements for popular apps increase, your aging hardware suffers.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Often there is a simple culprit. Low memory. If you don't have enough system memory, your system will slow to a crawl when you attempt to run multiple resource-intensive programs. Here's how you can increase your system memory without buying new RAM sticks. With the help of paging files or virtual memory, you can easily increase your system memory without shelling out money. Head to Settings. About and click the System Info. Select Advanced System Settings to open your system properties. Now open the Advanced tab. Under Performance, select Settings. Open the Advanced tab. Under Virtual Memory, select Change. Here are your virtual memory options. The default option is to automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Uncheck this to enable the currently grayed out section. Select the drive you want to edit the paging file size for. Usually, this is your C drive. Now, select Custom Size. Set the maximum size you want for your paging file, following the recommended size for your system. Remember, Windows restricts the paging file size to 3 times the size of your installed RAM. This is to ensure system stability. Set the initial size to the currently allocated size. Click Set followed by OK. You have successfully increased your system's virtual memory size +1 knowledge for the day. Please note that Windows doesn't display a warning for paging file size increases, but system alerts are shown for decreases. A sudden decrease could cause system damage. If you find that your system still runs slowly following the paging file size adjustment, you must consider upgrading your RAM. Upgrading your RAM is the only way you can increase your virtual memory, by increasing the amount of overall memory available to the system. In that, you will alleviate the virtual memory issue during the process and could see a boost to your system speed. If you have problems with any of the steps in this video, please ask a question for more help, or post in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe to get updated whenever I upload new PC tips videos.